Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at our NC or Numerical Control's visual language, and this will be for the CAM feature. But otherwise, before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. Now, a visual language of a program is quite an important thing because that helps you, at least if it's designed well, to navigate the program rather quickly and have a good understanding of what's happening. So just as a quick example here on this basic 3D display here, you can see we've got a basic visual language going. So they've always made the back steel cutout gray, so you can quickly understand what it is. They have numbers on the shape, so we can quickly identify this is shape number 1, shape number 2, shape number 3. And then they also have a color language here, which they add to the different shapes, so you can quickly identify and get back to the right shape. Now that's just an example on this actual how can we say it, visual language. Now the CAM and NC has its own visual language. So let's have a quick look at that. I'm just going to go back into the CAM and then we're going to go to the NC. So once we're into the NC, we can see everything changed. Now a few things have gone blue and some white. And we also have some arrow and how can I say directional lines. So let's first look at that. We've covered kind of before. But let's just have a quick overview. So we've got here little arrows showing the direction of things. And then we also have a guideline showing the order in which the shapes are going to go. Oh, my apologies, pushed the wrong button there. And then, so that is our first option, visual language we have here. When it comes to the back plane, it stays pretty much the same, but there's no color for the shapes. Now the actual color that there is for the lines and arcs, we can see here on the bottom, they'll display here line. Let me zoom in for you guys so you can see better. So we've got your line and it's got a blue, and we've got an arc which is white. So now if we look at this display, it kind of starts making more sense. We can see all our solid lines is one color, and everything that's got a form of a curve or arc to it becomes another color. So we can quickly identify, okay, here it's going to be doing straight cuts, then it's going to be going into an arc, straight cut, arc, straight cut. So yeah, so that's pretty much the visual language for the NC. There's a few other things that will happen once we simulate, but overall this is a good one to understand. So understand where the direction is going, so the arrows, from which shape to which shape is it going first, so the order of it, and then also what the color coding means. So straight lines or lines will be blue, and curves or arcs will be white. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the visual language. We head here to softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training video you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.